51. The numbers 4, 5, 6, 10 and 12 are placed in order, and the four different operations, addition, multiplication, division and subtraction, are placed between them as shown. The result is -5. Leaving the order of operations alone, work out the largest result that can be obtained by changing the order of the numbers. Which of the following indicates the correct order of the numbers? The original calculation has 4 different number operations. To help us, we should consider the rules of BODMAS or BIDMAS. This tells us the order to carry out those number operations, starting with division. So the first thing we would do would be 6 divided by 10, and this would be 0.6. The next thing we'd do would be the multiplication. 5 multiplied by 0.6. This is 3. Then we carry out the addition, so 4 plus 3, which is 7, and finally the subtraction, 7 take away 12, which of course is -5. We're going to leave those number operations in exactly the same order. It means that we will once again begin with division, then we'll do multiplication, and then addition, and finally subtraction. So the division calculation will be first here, and we need to get the biggest answer we can because we're looking to give the largest number we can as the answer. So we start with the largest number, which is 12, and to give the biggest answer we can at this stage, we would divide by 4. 12 divided by 4, of course, is 3. Now we multiply, and again we want to multiply by the largest number we can. So we take 10 next, and then we say 10 multiplied by 3, which is 30. If I say 30 plus 6, then this will give me a larger number than 30 plus 5. So 30 plus 6 would be 36, and finally we would subtract 5. 36 take away 5 is 31. This is the largest number we can give as the result, and it means the order of the numbers is 6, then 10, then 12, then 4, and then 5, making option A the right answer to the question.